Okay guys, welcome to today's workout. So this one's called 20-minute club AMSAP. So you're going to power through and get as much as you can in the 20 minutes. Okay, so you're going to perform 10 reps of each exercise, 60-second rest, then get straight in and then go another 10 reps. Okay, so you're going to power through that circuit as much as you can in the 20 minutes. So just power through 10 reps. Okay, do all 5 exercises. Once you've done all 5 exercises, take a quick 60-second rest and then get straight back into your next set and then powering through as many sets as you can in that 20 minutes. All right, so the first one I'm going to do is an inside clean. Okay, with the inside clean, just remember with that inside movements, we're going across the center line. So we're going to start off in that order position. Okay, so from here, I'm going to transfer my weight to the right hand side. Okay, so just to remember, a side clean is exactly the same as a sagittal plane clean. So a frontal plane clean is exactly the same, except we're going in that frontal plane across the side of the body. Okay, so with our inside cleans, we're going to go across the front of the body, just going to cast away, full arm lock, shoulder pack, going to transfer the weight onto both feet equally as I come to that center line. As the club goes to my right, transfer the weight to the right, finishing this position here, and then come back the way it came. Okay, so we're going to go 5 reps each side. So inside clean, catch it back into that order position, rotate, go again. Once we've done our 5 reps, we can change hands. To change hands, you can simply change hands that way, or you could do a swing and change hands that way. Again, inside clean, we go 5 reps. Shoulder down and pack down, okay, elbow tucks in the ribs the whole time. Then I'm going to go into a reverse lunge with 2-hand flag press. If I'm in my guard position on the right hand side, so just remember the right hand is on top, left hand comes across the bottom. Okay, I'm going to step back with my right leg. Okay, and I'm going to go 5 reps on this side. Then I change the guard position to my left side and I go to the left side for 5 reps. Okay, so big step back. Just make sure I've got plenty of room. All the usual cues apply with a reverse lunge, just making sure that front knee stays over the toe. Big drive up through the heels as I'm squeezing the glute on that drive up, and then just making sure that back knee is about 1 inch off the floor. So big step back. As I'm coming down into that lunge, I'll press the club out and then drive down through the heel, squeeze the glute, and then come up into full extension. So again, let's do a couple more reps. Big step back. Push the club out, pull the club in as a stand up. Once I've done 5 reps, I change grip. So left hand on top, right hand comes underneath. Then I reverse lunge with my left leg and then press out from there. Same again, do 5 reps each side. Then we're going to go reverse mills, casting outside the center line, comes across the body. As it comes towards me, I do an outside circle with my arm, sword in sheath, cast, swing, outside circle, sword in sheath, cast, swing. Again, 5 reps, okay. And then once you've done your 5, we just change sides, okay. And then we do 5 on the other side. So 5 reps, reverse mills each side. 2-handed barbarian squat, so it's just 10 reps in total because it's a 2-handed movement. What you might want to do is just change your grip at 5 reps. So if you've got your right hand on top, you might want to change your left hand on top after 5 reps, or the next time you do this exercise, up to you. 2-handed arm cast, keep those elbows tucked in to the ears. Okay, if we chicken wing, we're going to flare out those ribs. So just keep those elbows tucked in. And then as I come down into that squat, try and get the thighs parallel with the floor if you can. Full arm lock, shoulder down and pack down. And then from there, squeeze for the glutes, drive down through the heels. Bring it back into that 2-handed arm cast. And then the last exercise is bull whips. Just do a quick demonstration of this one. We're going to do our swing outside of the legs. Feet are quite close in. So your feet are hip width or closer. Anytime we're swinging that club on the outside of the legs, we've got our feet close in. Anytime we're swinging between the legs, we've got them quite wide out. So from here, what we're going to do is we'll do our hip hinge, hip drive, and then from here, we just want to keep the club vertical in that halo position as it's coming around the body. So I'm going to keep that club vertical, keep it vertical. As it's coming around, I want to make sure that my thumb is touching the top of my t-shirt. We don't want to be up here, because otherwise there's a lot of tension going through the elbow. So make sure your tricep is fully relaxed. Bring it around all the way to the side that you're lifting from, and then cast away again. So from there, bring it around, and then cast. Making sure you wait for that club to pass the legs before you hinge. So that's our bull whips. Just show you with a heavier club. Okay, so there are your bull whips. Once you've done those exercises, you have a 60-second rest and then get straight through. So you're going to power through as many sets as you can in the 20 minutes. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our Dangerously Fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.